What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at XRP, as XRP is currently one of the few coins that is up today. Obviously we're in the weekend and we're going to experience some sort of consolidation on a lot of cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum and your other major cap coins. However, XRP being one of those major cap coins is actually up quite well today. If we go on the daily chart here, you can see it is starting to form more and more green candles. We didn't really get to use the support level at 3.618. It sort of just went right through it. However, it has been using this previous candle right here as a support. Now, this previous candle is also, a fair value gap right here that was created. The previous candle filled roughly 50-60% of it, which is usually enough, to fill most of the orders from the fair value gap. However, here, this candle came in and nearly filled the entirety of it. So good to see that the fair value gaps are still working quite well here. And obviously that has now created some bullish momentum going forwards. We do have a significant resistance level right here, at the high of $2.91. However, if XRP is going to perform like it has been performing, then that is going to be no worries at all. We create these resistance levels like here, for example. This is a good example. We had, a new high created, quite a big resistance. We came down, partially filled the fair value gap, consolidated for what was this, like 2 to 5 days, and then instantly shot back up. Came down, consolidated for a day or two, shot back up. Now it's obviously been a slightly bigger decline. However, the concept remains the same. So in theory, we should really be looking to break through this resistance level next week on XRP if it performs like it has been. Obviously, it's not to be expected to be that easy. The market is going to move slightly differently every week. Another thing to keep track of is Bitcoin dominance, and it's performing quite well today. It's breaking through this white line, which we really need to happen in order for, cryptos and altcoins to really start moving up and forwards. And obviously Bitcoin needs to really step up as well and move up in order for dominance to drop and altcoins to flourish. So what are we going to be looking to do on XRP? Well, that depends on how long you want to hold. Obviously, if you were in the Discord, then you would have been getting, alerts to enter XRP way at the lows. I think our, last entry was really at 30 cents, somewhere around here for spot. So now members are up nearly 10x, and our futures alerts were all between the area before the huge pump. You can see on the screen right now just how insane the trades are, so make sure to join up so you're not missing out on any of those. It'll be the second link in the description, so make sure you join up. Now, what are we going to be looking to do? Well, we didn't get a trade off on here simply because it wasn't expected. We have so many fair value gaps here, and I wasn't sure which one it was going to fill. We have another fair value gap right here. However, this was the main one, as it's obviously 3 candles going in the upward direction, and this is the middle candle with the middle fair value gap. Now, in reality, we should just have a clear set road going up. However, if we are able to come back down to this level, I'll go on to a lower time frame like the 15-minute, for example, and try and find something like an order block. Like here, for example, was created. You could have found a trade here if you entered longs, at the top or bottom or middle of the order block. You could have set your stops to the previous low and obviously targeted the previous high right here, or you could have even targeted the high that we had this year. It really just depends on your strategy. So that's something that I'd look for on the lower time frame as we head down to this level. If we head down to this level, that is, this is what I quite like to do when it comes to trading. Find a higher time frame narrative like we have here. It's obviously quite bullish, and then we go into a lower time frame to find a trade setup. That usually works really well, especially in bull markets, because a higher time frame narrative is so important. So yeah, that's what I'd be looking to do. You want to find, obviously we're quite bullish, so you want to find longs. You don't want to really be looking for shorts here. And then lower time frame, you can find order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps and everything like that. Now again, if you want to get my exact strategies that I use to trade, it's also going to be left in the Discord, which is the second link in the description. So as for targets, again, it really depends on how long you want to hold. If you're looking for a short-term trade, then you should really be targeting the high here at like 30% profit. If you want to find a target way above, then we need to go onto a different chart which will display the previous all-time high, which is at $3.54. So you can see here the chart looks slightly different because we have to go on the weekly because of how long ago the all-time high was. But nevertheless, longer term targets can sort of be in the midst of $5.67, $9.11, even $12.56. These are very optimistic targets. It's obviously like a 6x away from the main target. However, it is very possible. Personally, I didn't expect XRP to see such a return in such a short period of time. Just a month ago we're sitting at 53 cents. Now it's at $2.50. I don't think anybody really expected XRP to move this much, and I think it's going to keep getting stronger. Obviously, the community is sort of getting behind it again, and yeah, it'll be very, very interesting to see how it performs later on during the week. Now, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Again, if you want to be getting trades every single day sent to you, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade crypto, check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. Also, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.